Are you eating enough protein? Is that high on protein?
It's all about protein.
Protein! 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 We all need protein to survive, but we especially need protein to flex. I know we can probably inhale protein powder by now, but I live to eat. So I really try to get all the protein I need from actual food I'm eating on a daily basis. Big respect for people who can maintain a strict diet for their training goal, body goal. I'm just a potato who loves food too much. I go to sleep thinking about what I'm gonna eat tomorrow. So this is just me giving my best effort to feel better and eat better. So today I'm sharing what I'm eating in a day to get 120 grams of protein with simple and delicious Chinese cooking. Why 120, you may ask? My goal is to gain muscle. I'm supposed to eat around double my body weight, which is around 120 grams. We will break it down to breakfast, lunch, and dinner and see if I can reach my goal. I like starting my day with eggs. After turning 30, I discovered a new luxury in life. Bio eggs. Eggs over bags. Free range chicken with dreams. That sounds like reincarnation goal. Today I'm making an egg pancake, a lighter version of 煎饼果子, which is a classic Chinese street breakfast. The original version has a giant crispy fried cracker inside. Amazing for my mental health, slightly less amazing for the physical one. 13 grams of protein out of 100. I can live with that. I always give my sausage a cut on both sides, so the edges will get super crispy. Feel free to replace them with something clean like chicken breast, but I cannot say no to this. Pour in the mixture, not too much, and spread it evenly. When the edges are set, we flip.
Super genius.
Crack an extra egg. Just realized I should probably crack it before I flip. It's too late. Sprinkle some black sesame. And we flip one last time. Just love flipping. I like to add a little bit of sriracha first. Let's brush it even. Some veggies. Beautiful sausage. Just a dash of chili crisp. King-size bed. Sleep tight, sleep tight. Look at them cuddling in that little blanket. Bye. The egg pancake is so soft and fluffy. Due to the failure of the first pancake, I actually didn't use all the butter. Based on my calculation, 2 chicken sausage, 2 eggs, and flour, this breakfast is 23 grams of protein. As I get older, I really start paying attention to what I eat and how it makes me feel. Breakfast used to be whatever I managed to grab before running towards the door. But now, I really try to make the effort of making something warm and comforting. It just really sets up my mood and energy for the day. And very often, it's something I craved so badly before sleep. This egg pancake is definitely on top of the list. Lunch is where I try to get most of my protein of the day. A super easy comfort dish, and of course, over rice. As a certified Chinese, I have my humble rice collection over here. For saucy dishes, I always go with short grain fatty rice. It's starchier and absorbs sauce like a sponge. I always like to make the sauce first, so the pan frying will go much smoother. The basic combo for stir fry: oyster sauce and light soy sauce. Pinch, just a pinch. Sugar and a little bit of salt.
Loads of garlic.
The king of condiments. It adds flavor and fragrance and helps you avoid small talks in public. Make good use of that forehead and whisk 2 eggs. I always fry the mince first until all the water is out and clear. The edges are slightly brown. We drop the garlic. Pan fry on medium-high fire until the fragrance is out. Drizzle in the sauce. Little bit of starch water and let it thicken. We take it out for later. Pan fry the tofus with your hands if you are tough, or use chopsticks if you are normal. Until both sides are golden, drizzle in the eggs. Spread it even and slowly push it towards the center. Until all the edges are set, mince back on top. Sprinkle some scallion and fresh chili. Let it simmer for a bit. A scoop of rice and we load this bad boy. Wow, that's some lunch. Don't be alarmed by the size. Actually, just a little bit of rice. I'm trying to get everything in one spoon. Ah! We got the omelette, crispy mince, and a piece of tofu there. This looks so good. The mince here is super saucy and savory. It just spreads evenly with the rice. Then you get a bite of the soft, silky tofu. When my parents visited Poland, they were shocked by how tall people are here and how much meat comes on one plate. Honestly, sometimes it's a lot. Chinese meals, on the other hand, can be pretty carb heavy. So I'm trying to find a balance. Chinese cooking, just with more protein. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Normally, I would just have leftover from lunch because who cooks 3 times a day? But we're giving extra effort today. So for dinner, we're having crispy scallion chicken. I know chicken breast is the fitness celebrity, but chicken thighs just taste so much better. I really made peace with that extra fat. Marinate the chicken with a little bit of starch. A good massage and leave it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the ginger scallion sauce. The ratio here is completely up to you. Hot pan. We fry until all the fragrance come out. A little bit of sesame oil and peppercorn oil. Already smells amazing. Pan fry the chicken with skin side down. Flip and fry until both sides are golden crispy. Lid on with a dash of water, you get the juiciest chicken ever. Time to assemble this beautiful bowl and top up with that ginger scallion sauce. That looks so good. The chicken is so juicy and the skin has a tiny crust. Wow, the juice just explodes in your mouth. Minced ginger in the sauce gives it such punchy flavor, and that drizzle of peppercorn oil really gives a nice sizzling on the tongue. My relationship with food really changed when I started cooking. In college, I basically lived on snacks and meal deals. I barely remember a homemade meal, but cooking helped me understand food and myself. And honestly, nothing feels better than seeing it all come together on a plate. If you're trying to eat better or cook more at home, give it a try. And
Get that protein!
see you next week!